print a square of stars. Public class print square of stars. Public static void main, string, args. Int rows equals 5, number of rows in the square. Int cols equals 5, number of columns in the square. Nested loop to print each row and column of stars. For int I equals 0, I less than rows, I plus plus. For int j equals 0, j less than cols, j plus plus. System.out. Print, asterisk. System.out. Print ln, move to the next row. Closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Here's a breakdown of each step. We first create a class named print square of stars. We define the main method inside the class. We initialize two variables, rows and cols, to define the dimensions of the square. In this example, the square has 5 rows and 5 columns. We use a nested loop to print the stars in each row and column. The outer loop controls the rows and the inner loop controls the columns. Inside the inner loop, we use the system.out print method to print a star followed by a space. Once all the stars have been printed for a row, we move to the next line using the system.out print ln method. This process repeats until all the rows and columns have been printed. When you run this program, the final output of the program looks like this. In this output, there are 5 rows and 5 columns of stars, forming a square shape. Each row contains 5 stars separated by a space. The system.out print ln method adds a new line after each row of stars, creating the square shape.